Good afternoon once again. Today we are testing for the presence of glucose. Now, glucose is a simple sugar that is found in fruits like mango, watermelon, and pineapple. So to test for glucose, today we are using a solution called Benedict solution. Benedict solution is a blue solution. There are other solutions like Felling solution you can use, but today we are using Benedict solution. And this is a squeezed juice from mango I've extracted. So you put in a little into the what? Into the Benedict solution, like a little drop. Then you shake it. So now it is going to be heated. So this one, I'm using the Benson burner. You can also use water bath, such as a heated water. Then you put in the test tube with the solution into it. Now we are going to see as the solution is heated, there's going to be a color change. You're supposed to be shaking the test tube so that you prevent it from breaking or from cracking. So as the thing is being heated, we are going to see that the color will change. Now when the color changes from blue to green, it shows that glucose is small. When it changes to yellow, that is medium glucose. But when you see brick red, it tells you that there is much or enough glucose. So now as you can see that the thing has shown yellow color. But when the glucose is more, you see brick red or deep red. But when you see it yellow like this, it tells you that there is enough glucose. So this one shows medium glucose. When it is brick red or orange color, it shows that glucose is present. So this one shows that there is glucose in mango. That is the presence of glucose being tested with Benedict solution. Cut it.